Are you bored staring at the same old walls in your home? Revamp walls with these Trendy Home Decor Art only here at MechMinds Hub. Let's jump right in! Did you know one of the easiest yet most effective way to transform a room's vibe is by painting it in a single color? This method is often called color washing. It can make a small room seem larger, brighten up a dark space, or add a dash of excitement to a dull room. Plus, it's a great way to bring out the beauty of your furniture, artwork, or accessories by providing a neutral or contrasting backdrop. To pull off this look, you'll need to paint the ceiling, trim, and walls on the same color. If you want muted and earthy tones, you can't go wrong with sage green, dusty pink, beige, or mushroom. These colors can create a calming and relaxing atmosphere, perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. But if you're feeling adventurous, why not go for vibrant and bold colors like berry tones, yellow, or teal? These colors can inject a lively and energetic vibe, making them ideal for kitchens, dining rooms, or playrooms. Feel free to pick any color that speaks to you. If you want to add a touch of fun and flair to your walls, you can't go wrong with vintage neon signs. These retro-inspired pieces can instantly inject some personality and character into any space, as it provides some ambient lighting and a focal point. Vintage neon signs can also reflect your hobbies, interests, or passions, such as music, sports, travel, or movies. You can customize your own neon sign with your name, initials, or a favorite quote. The best part is that you can mix and match different styles, sizes, and colors of neon signs to create a unique and eclectic wall art display. Hang them on a plain wall, above a sofa, bed, or fireplace, or even make a gallery wall with other art pieces. These are not your grandma's old-fashioned quilts, but a modern and stylish fabrics that can add cozy and chic flair to your space. Whether you prefer a boho, rustic, or global style, you can find a tapestry that suits your taste and personality. Textured tapestries come in different kinds of shapes, sizes, and patterns, from geometric to floral to abstract. You can go bold with a single tapestry that draws attention, or mix and match several tapestries to create a fun and eclectic look. You can also use tapestries to hide any blemishes or marks on your walls, such as cracks, holes, or stains. Hanging tapestries is easy and versatile. You can use nails, hooks, rods, clips, or drape them over a headboard, a shelf, or a curtain rod. Textured tapestries are a great way to add warmth, texture, and color to your walls and express your unique style and creativity. If you're feeling adventurous and artistic, try these abstract and colorful wall art for your space. This trend is perfect for showing off your personality and mood through shapes, colors, and stroke. Abstract and colorful wall art can also make your walls more lively, dynamic, and dramatic. At the same time, eye-catching and contrasting. You can find abstract and colorful wall art in different mediums, from paintings to prints to sculptures to murals. You can pick abstract and colorful wall art that goes well with your existing color scheme, or use it to spice up your space with some new and surprising colors. Have fun with different styles, sizes, and orientations of abstract and colorful wall art to create a more varied and eclectic wall art display. Hang them on a simple wall, above a sofa, bed, or fireplace, or even create a gallery wall with other art pieces. One of the most unique and artistic wall art trends for 2024 is ceramic wall art. These handmade pieces can add texture, dimension, and personality to your walls, as well as color and pattern. Ceramic wall art can also showcase your appreciation for craftsmanship and originality, as each piece is one of a kind and made with care and skill. You can find ceramic wall art in various shapes, sizes, and designs, such as plates, bowls, vases, or sculptures. You can also use ceramic wall art to fill in any gaps or empty spaces on your walls, such as corners, niches, or above doors or windows. Hang ceramic wall art with nails, hooks, wires, or brackets, or you can simply lean them against a wall on a shelf or a mantle. This trend is inspired by the ancient art of painting on wet plaster, but with a modern twist. Instead of using colors, it uses simple lines to create minimalist and elegant designs on your walls. You can draw geometric shapes, abstract forms, or even portraits within a thin brush or a marker. This trend can create a sophisticated and artistic vibe in any space. You must create a single large fresco on a wall to create a statement piece. Or you can divide your wall into smaller sections and create different designs on each. You can also use different colors of lines to create contrast or harmony. If you want to add some humor and personality to your walls, you can choose tongue-in-cheek wall art. This trend is all about using witty and playful phrases, quotes, or images to make a statement or a joke. You can find tongue-in-cheek wall art in various mediums, such as prints, posters, signs, or stickers. Customize your own tongue-in-cheek wall art with your name, initials, or a favorite quote. This trend can add some fun and flair to your walls, as well as make you and your guests smile. You can hang a single large tongue-in-cheek wall art piece on a wall to create a statement piece, or you can group several smaller tongue-in-cheek wall art pieces to create a more dynamic and varied look. Use tongue-in-cheek wall art to fill in gaps or empty spaces on your walls, such as corners, niches, or above doors or windows. Hang tongue-in-cheek wall art with nails, hooks, wires, or brackets, or stick them on the wall. If you love nature and want to bring some of its beauty and benefits into your home, you might be interested in biophilic design elements. Biophilic design is all about integrating elements of nature into your home decor, such as indoor plants, natural materials like wood and stone, or even natural sounds and smells. Biophilic design can make your home more attractive and comfortable, as well as more healthy and harmonious. By adding some biophilic design elements to your living spaces, you can promote your well-being, reduce your stress, and feel more connected to the environment. Last on the list is the gallery wall. It is a great way to add some character and charm to your home and to express your style and personality. You can create a gallery wall with any theme, color, or style that suits your taste and mood. Mix and match different types of art, from paintings to prints to sculptures to mirrors. The key is to choose pieces that work well together. Arrange them in a pleasing way and add some personal touches that make them yours. What trendy home decor art did you like most? If you find this video helpful, give this a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to MechMinds Hub channel. Thank you for watching.